Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Maja.
And I'm Dianne. Today we will be doing our glutes.
Good. So we will start for the beginning. We will do some squats, some basic squats. So Dianne, you can just show. I would like to show you what to do and what not to do. So what is important is not to bring your knees above your toes like this. As you can see now all the weight of the body goes to the front of the foot, and you don't want that because it's bad for the knees. Okay? What you do want to do is this. So you want to go back with your hips and your butt like there is some kind of a chair here, and you want to sit on that chair. So the weight of the body goes to the heel, and you can actually feel that. So we will do some squats now, and Dianne will show us few variations with hands. Okay, we'll do 24 squats.
24 squats.
Yeah. Okay. You can start, Dianne.
Okay, we can start. You can have your hands here in front. We'll do 8 this way.
Yeah. Great.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We can have our hands here on our waist. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or we can have our hands here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
and 1. Okay, and now Dianne will just hold in this position. It is also it is known as a chair pose, like you're in the pose of a chair, like you're sitting in the chair. So make sure that your knees stay above the ankle. They shouldn't go beyond that. Your hips are back. Your belly button is in, so your lower back is extended. Okay? Your chest is up, your shoulder blades and your shoulders are down, and your arms are nice and long, and your neck is also long. Okay? You can go up. And once more, right? And just hold the position. So in this position, actually the whole body is working, not just the glutes, but also the back, the abs, the arms, everything. And okay, you can breathe in and out, and let's do one more. Good. You can even shake with your arms, legs, and your butt. Okay, now we'll continue on our knees and hands, and we'll do some very classic exercises for the butt. So first we'll do our right side. So you can extend the leg behind you, flex your foot, and just raise the leg as Dianne is doing it. Very good. And also a few tips for this exercise. So what you want to do is try to keep your hips parallel to the floor. So try not to bring the side that is working up towards the ceiling. Okay? So you have 2 shoulders and 2 hips that are facing the floor.
How many we do?
How many?
16, I just did.
You did? Okay, then let's do the other one with the bend in the knee. So you're trying to push the ceiling up with your heel. You should feel your right side of your butt already. Do you feel it there? Okay.
2, 1.
Okay, good, great. Let's do the other side. So the left side. As you do this, you're also doing a little bit of the balance exercise. So keep your belly button in, and again the shoulders are down and away from the ears.
5, 4, 8.
Yes, okay.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, good. Maybe we can stretch a bit. Yes, like this in the child's pose. That is always
Welcome.
welcome. Always. Good. Okay, now let's move on. So we will now lie on our belly. Yes. You can put your hands like this under your head, and what you want to do is you want to keep your legs a little bit wider, just a little bit wider than your hips. You can have your feet nice and extended and long, and you're just bringing your legs up and down.
Together.
Okay, you can bring one, then the other, and then after that we'll do both at the same time. Yes, you can do that. So you are doing right and left, right and left. Yeah, that's good. That was 6, right?
This is now 8.
Yeah, okay. Let's do 8 more.
Two.
Good. And now together. So left and right together.
6.
And we'll do some holding in the end. We'll just hold.
3, 2.
Okay, now we can hold. Just bring your legs up and hold a little bit more. And after this, we will do 8 more and then we'll hold again. Okay, so you can put your legs down and then once more, 8 times. And in the end, you'll hold. So this exercise, you should feel, yes, your butt good, but also the hamstrings. Okay, now hold. Hold for 4, 3, 2, and relax. That is good. That is very good. Now we'll do bridge. We'll do some bridge exercises. You can lie back. And you should just bring your pelvis up and down. So your feet are parallel, and your knees and your thighs are also parallel. And everything is in the width of your hips, so the legs are not wider than your hips. How many? 8? Okay, let's do more. We can do more, right?
Thank you.
And we'll also hold before we move to one leg.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, hold. Just hold. Try really to squeeze your butt. Squeeze your butt cheeks together and just hold in place. And you relax and you put your hips down. Okay, now on one leg. So this will be a little bit harder for the leg that should hold your weight. So then you can do it.
You can do 2.
Yeah. I could. But you did better.
2, 1. 8 more.
Yeah, 8 more. Let's do 8 more.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Great.
Holding.
Great. Hold it for 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now the other leg. So 16. That is a good number for this.
This is very good.
It could be worse. 24.
8.
No, that would be not enough.
2, 1.
So 8 more. And then we're done. So just a little bit.
And hold.
And hold. And hold.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. Okay, now shake a bit. Good. Maybe you you know, hug your knees a bit. Yes, yes, that is all very good. So, this is it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for exercising with us.
And we'll see you next time.
Yeah. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.